Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we discussed how we can troubleshoot preamplifier board for this 1000 watt audio amplifier for car audio system, and we detected that this potentiometer was making problem and it was not working in the system. And today we will troubleshoot what is the exact reason and how we can take approach to detect the fault. For that purpose, I will use oscilloscope and I will use sine wave signal. If you don't have this function generator, in my last video I discussed how we can assemble this sine wave source. It is very cheap. If you are interested to make this signal generator, you can make this in just only few dollars. Now I will use this function generator and I will inject signal from this function generator and we will trace on the oscilloscope. I am using 5 volt signal 1 kilohertz. First we will inject it here. We will connect oscilloscope ground to the signal ground here, and we will test this signal here at input connector. So it is reaching here, then to the coupling capacitor. After coupling capacitor, this signal is reaching here at this potentiometer. And now check on the center slider. So this potentiometer is working properly. It's good. And then we will check pin 1 and 7. Yes, it is working properly and it is processing the signal. That's good. Now we will check the second channel of this potentiometer. The signal entered here, coupling capacitor, this end of the potentiometer. We will check in the center slider. So it is not going out. So if it is not going out, then it will not be processed here. Let's remove this potentiometer. $200K range. It is 50K potentiometer. $43K. Okay. Connect with the center slider. left side okay, and now I will adjust slowly. This is good. Counterclockwise, it's good. We can see potentiometer, this section is bad, so that was the reason it was making disconnection. So this variable resistance is not good. We will replace it. $47K. It is decreasing smoothly, that's good. Now move to this side. It is decreasing smoothly. Check second section. 48.2K. Decreasing smoothly, good. Second side with slider. So it is decreasing and increasing smoothly. This potentiometer is good. I will install it here now. Now I install the potentiometer, and now we will check the signal. Yes, it is controlling the signal. Second channel. Here okay, and now the signal is coming out. Yes, that's good now. Yes, now the signal is working good. Now let's trace this signal. When the signal is reaching here, and we will adjust from this potentiometer. Then this signal will pass to this point. If the bus is set to normal, it will not attenuate the signal. It will allow to pass the normal signal. Now this signal, it is entering to this coupling capacitor here in the first channel. After that, this signal will go to here splitter. It will split this signal in positive peak and negative peak. Here we have two transistors. One transistor here, second channel here. Now our signal is in this shape. We can see this time the signal is opposite direction. From here the peak is clipped off and negative peak is separated. So our this signal which was coming here, now it is splitted into two different channels, one for positive side and one for negative side, and this signal it will move to now it is our amplifier stage. Now this is the amplifier. It will amplify this half peak and this half peak. So these two stages will work in parallel, but these will work opposite to each other. Then this signal is reaching here at this amplifier, and then this signal will pass to base of this transistor and base of this transistor. NPN and PNP will receive this signal, and our final product of these two channels, this one and this one, it will come out from this point. This is the final output signal. So it is a product. Before this, from here in the signal shaping circuit, in the first transistor set, this signal is splitted into positive peak and negative peak, and then it is amplified and it is provided opposite side peaks here. Then it is amplified, and at the final base driver circuit here, NPN and PNP, these will drive these two transistors, and our final signal will reach here at this point. This is the final output signal from this channel. So we can follow this channel and we can troubleshoot the other three channels. So this channel is working now. This signal is now entering here, and then it is driving here, and these two transistors are now in action. And we can now trace the other circuits with reference to this one. Now after processing all these signals, now we can see the result. At this point we are providing 5-volt signal. After processing from this channel, this output, it is 50-volt signal. What happened? We amplified the signal. Based on our requirement, the signal is shaped here. Then this signal is provided here. This is pre-amplified signal for 10 volt. 5 volt here. After pre-amplifier, this signal is now 10 volt, 11 volt. Then this signal is processed here in negative channel, in negative peak channel and positive peak channel. And these positive and negative voltage will switched, and we will receive this 50-volt signal. Now if I will provide signal here 200 Hertz, the signal is this. If I will provide 10 kilohertz, this is our signal now. So this is the bus booster function, and we can now trace the other portions. We will inject the signal in the next channel and we can troubleshoot it. Now we can check here. It is 16-volt signal. We can see this channel is not providing output. The same way we can take reference from here that the signal is entering here, positive peak, negative peak, negative peak, positive peak, and then we can verify here. Yes, that's good. We can see the signal is reaching here, but it is not reaching to the base. Signal is here, it is not reaching to this base. And if we see this side, present here, but it is not reaching to base. What is wrong here? Yes, we can see someone connected this channel to this base resistors. So this is now bypassed. Now we will connect these resistors back to its original location, so this channel also will work. Now I will connect back these resistors. Now I connected back these resistors to their original positions. So this channel now will start working. Yes, it is okay. It's okay. Yes, now this base resistor is taking signal, and this one is also taking signal, and we have end product here now. Final 50-volt signal. It is reaching to, yes, this channel. So this channel is now receiving signal. This channel is now receiving signal. And now we will check the second side. Yes, it's good. In this section we have these resistors burn out, and here is also these damaged resistors, and might be the transistor is also damaged. So we will replace these burnt components, and this section will restore it. Now we have two channels working good, and these two channels are burned out, and these have damaged components. I will arrange these components, and we will continue in our next session, and we will restore these channels. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.